Hello guys, my name is Doke and today I'll do something what I wanted to do for a long time. I will stay in my studio and I'll paint on my second favorite surface after wall, on a canvas. Recently I've been painting mostly on walls, but a lot of you say that you don't have any legal walls nearby your homes. Well, not everybody is lucky enough to have a plenty of walls in his city, but everybody can buy a canvas. Trust me, painting on canvas leads to much less problems. No people, police, rain, mud, cold, or sun. Just you and your painting, so let's enjoy it. You know, recently I've tried to paint a lot of things with a lot of different techniques, and I have to say that it feels great when you learn something new. But on the other hand, I started to have a feeling that I'm not doing things that I'm known for graffiti pieces. When I look at all these artworks that I've recently done, it sort of feels confusing, like, do you do characters or graffiti or letters or landscapes? What do you do? You know, I was thinking about it and I've realized that it's completely okay. You know, my goal for this year is to embrace a lot of different techniques, is to try a lot of different stuff, so I can find the stuff that I really like. And I have the skills to paint basically whatever comes to my mind, and then find my original way of doing it, my original style. For sure, I try to bring my original style into every single artwork that I create, but sometimes it goes very well, and sometimes not really. For example, you can clearly see that this artwork over here is inspired by Bob Ross, by his techniques. But I wanted to create sort of a toxic Bob Ross, or how should I say it? I didn't have any reference picture and, you know, I just wanted to play with the colors, and I had a plan to incorporate some graffiti in this painting, something what would say, yeah, Doke created this painting. But then I was just looking at it and I like the way how it looks and I don't want to ruin it. Guys, if you enjoyed today's painting, thumb up would be awesome. And yeah, this is